Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. Doc Talk Stocks back again. Don't only get the likes up, man. Get your stocks up too, ladies and gentlemen. Today was a bittersweet moment. Today I had to say goodbye to somebody. Me and this particular entity had a love-hate relationship. And today I finally had to say goodbye to Southern Company, stock ticker SO. SO has been one of those particular stocks that has plagued my portfolio for a while. I've had it, I think, since March, maybe April. I had SO in the portfolio. And although SO is a super steady, super stable utility stock, when I owned it, and from the time that I owned it, I had to drip by that bitch for a long time. Now, everybody will sit here and tell you, Doc, you already know the rules, bro. Man, with dividend investing, with things like that, man, you might take time. It just depends. You know, you shouldn't sell out on a whim. You shouldn't just sell shit like that. I know how the game goes, ladies and gentlemen. Although I'm a novice and although this is all trial and error for me, I'm just trying to figure this out for myself. I realized something about Southern Company today after the Q3 earnings. Just came out this morning. They barely beat their EDS by 0.97%. Didn't even get a whole damn percent, but for the sake of the video, we'll say by 1%. And I think they were shorted on their revenue earnings for the year, about 6%. They were 6% short of their year over year. I refuse to play the drip buying game with Southern Company again. I know Southern Company is that steady, the slow and steady wins the race type of bid. But I decided, you know what, man? We're trending towards a different type of society. We are. So rather than just saying, alis nako, which is goodbye in Filipino, other than me just saying goodbye to SO, I decided to say hello to Nexera, stock ticker NEE, which is like a renewable energy type of company, man. My boy's been telling me a lot about this lately, and he's like, bro, this is going to be the future. And I am curious to know how you guys feel about NEE, Nexera. Leave it in the comment section below how you feel about Southern Company and how you feel about Nexera or NEE. Because again, guys, this is going to be the way of the future. Luckily for me, I got into Nexera a little bit ago. So they had a little stock split that kind of went under the radar. Maybe you guys knew about it. They had a 4-to-1 that just took effect yesterday, the October 28th of 2020. I think it was just yesterday as the recording of this video. So that went into full effect. We had to have shares on the books of about the 19th of October, and then by the 28th, they went on ahead and issued us our additional 4 shares per 1 share earned. So we got out. We said goodbye to SO, and we got in to Nexera. Not all of my money from my SO went into Nexera, but, you know, a sizable chunk. Excuse me. Whew. It's the cooties, bro. COVID cough. Sorry. And the energy that I'm feeling with Nexera as time moves forward, I'm feeling the positivity. Now, the interesting thing about Nexera is it's trading in and around 70-ish. And at the time of me getting out of Southern Company, they were trading at about 58 and some change. So since I got out, I haven't checked my portfolio yet because I got out only this morning, guys. I only got out this morning. So, you know, you got to wait for the platform to ping the sell and all of that shit. And they better not fuck me over on my money. If they do, I'm going to be mad. Because right now I'm going out. I got something I got to do. They better not try to screw me on my money. I want every bit of the dimes that I made or the pennies that I made on my Southern Company stocks, because although I was doing this drip buying, I forgot to tell you guys, I was drip buying. Finally, it popped, right? So it finally went into the green or the black, however you want to say it, and we were doing good, man. We were doing good. So I'm getting out at the plus, so I'm pretty excited about that. But they got to give it to me at the plus. Don't play games with the boy money, man. He's very sensitive about that. But anyways, I said hello to Nexera, started putting in some more in there, and I want to know what you guys think, man. A lot of you guys probably don't know this, but Nexera is probably going to be the new wave. And again, don't just listen to the random dude on YouTube who's just talking shit. He don't know nothing about stocks, man. I'm just looking at things that I think have potential to do well in the future, and that's what I'm looking into. Looking into more growth stocks, even though ESSO had a dividend payout of $2.58 per share earned. I think that's going to remain the same for an extended period of time. They haven't really shown a lot of dividend stock growth either. They've issued it consistently, but they haven't quite shown me the potential to, make it expand or, make it bigger, increase the shit at something. So we're out of ESSO, ladies and gentlemen. We're out of ESSO. We're into Nexera. Nexera, after the stock split, ironically, they're trading at $1.40 per share. I mean, not trading, I'm sorry, but issuing a dividend of $1.40 per share annually. So, your monthly ain't going to be too big. I think for ESSO, that would make it about 64 cents. And then for Nexera, about 30 and some change. I ain't do my math, but something like that. Like I said, I ain't go to school. I ain't Goodwill hunting or nothing like that. But I guess I just wanted to come through and talk to you guys real quick about that, because I'm kind of sensitive about it. Because Southern Company was a large portion of my portfolio, a large portion of my utilities portfolio, and now I have to say goodbye to it. I just don't see it doing things for me in the future that I want it to. So don't know what to tell you guys. I'm here, man. Let me guys know what you guys think in the comment section below. Don't only get the likes up, man. Get your stocks up, ladies and gentlemen. This has been the Good Doc Talk Stocks. Take care. God bless. Don't play games with the stock market, man. You don't like it. Y'all take it easy. Peace.